This is Cyndy G, and in this video we will be assembling the taco box card. I've got the pieces laid out. These two pieces make up the box of the card. Then we have the inserts. So I'm going to start with the most tedious part and put the olives on. Just get this out of the way. So the olives just glue right into place here. If you don't like olives and tomatoes on your taco, you don't have to put these on. So this is the most time-consuming part of this card, just getting all these olives into place. Okay, and the last one. And then we'll just set this piece aside and do a little bit of inking on a few of the other pieces. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and get this one put together. This is for your sentiment on the back. So we'll just glue these two pieces together. The white centers here on the red. And set that aside. For the lettuce, I'm just going to hit the edges here a little bit with the darker green that I have. I'm going to use orange on the cheese. I'm just going to hit the edges. For the taco shell, I'm going to use some of the jumbo java. I'm letting that rub across the top a little bit as I do it, so it looks like it's been toasted. Just hit it a little until I get a look that I'm happy with. Now when you're doing this card, the file does come with two of these, and that's to round the edges here because the box card itself is squared off. You really only need to use the one in the front. If you want the card to look the same from the front and back, you can put the back one on. I've cut it. I don't know if I'm going to actually put it on. I don't have my black out to do my burger. I'm going to see if my jumbo java shows up. It adds adds a little bit of shading, so I'm just going to use it. Okay, so for the assembly of this one, let's go ahead and attach our front and back pieces here. And the way they stack is the meat is in between, cheese is on top, lettuce is in the back. So let's go ahead and put our lettuce in. Okay. Then our meat. And I'm just butting that right up against the edge of the lettuce there, and then making sure it's straight across. And then we put the cheese on. Okay. Now the olives, you have a choice. You can put them here on the cheese, or you can glue them to the edge of the front of the shell. I think either way will work fine. I'm going to go ahead and just touch the bottom of these and do it on the front. And I'm going to glue this to the shell. Oh, that was loud. Like that. Put this back piece on. I'm not going to use the back shell. I'm just going to put the one on the front. Now we're going to put glue on our tabs and then just glue this straight down. Just be careful not to glue them together. That would make a mess that you would have to sort out. Okay. And we're gluing our tabs here to this, so we just fold that over, apply some pressure, and then we're going to close our card up just like this. Okay, so let's close this up. Then for the front, we're going to add our piece that rounds up the edges. So just apply the glue to the front of the card. And there you have it. There is the taco box card. Thank you for joining me.